How's everyone doing today or this afternoon, wherever you are? Today I'm coming to you inside the Carport Greenhouse today. There's some things I need to get in here to make it ready for winter. Had I known previously, I would have done things differently. So this is probably a little video to help you guys out to know how you can do things differently if you're building one of these, if you're in a colder climate like I am with snow. So if you take a look here, you can see that between the post here, it's pretty loose and flapping in the wind. Have I had some forethought, I probably would have put some 2x4s between here and here to help with the snow load, but that is not the case that I did. So if that's something you guys are building, I would recommend that. So what I did, I went and bought some rope, and I'm going to try cross feed it from side to side and then down again and try to make it so it's a bit more sturdier for when the snow hits, and we'll see how it works. I was actually thinking about probably coming from here, this bar to the top bar, but I think it's going to sag too much, so I'm probably going to have to come from this bar across up where it's a bit heavier and across. So I'll get the rope started and we'll see how this works. It's a rainy day here today, so I figured it was a good day to come on out and get this started. I don't think I got nearly enough rope, but I got about 60 feet to start with to see how it works. You see how much I really need. And when you're doing this, I'm going to want to make sure that the rope's really tight as well, so that it holds it up nice. Probably would have been smarter to start with the shorter end as well over here, but I like doing things the hard way. So we'll bring this over to the middle here. And I'm going to go up over it here. It's pretty tight too, which is good because that means I've got my greenhouse plastic on fairly hot. So we will ideally, if I actually lived close by, I could probably just come out here every day it's snowing and just give it a good brush off. But I don't. So this is going to be the next best thing. And to be better than it is, I'll probably end up doing a cross brace this way as well, so I have two of them there. So this one I'll bring across to the other side here. And then once I get this section done up, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I've gone from that corner to this corner. I put a little bit of cross brace along there as well with the rope, and it's already helped stop the wind blowing around, which will be good. And then I come up here to the center, and then I might actually head my way that way and finish off that side there, just so it helps. But already it sounds a lot better now with the no flapping of the wind. Okay, so I've got it all strung up here. It's actually already helping prevent the plastic from banging back and forth too much. I hope that's going to be enough to help with the snow load. Probably could be tighter, but I think this is a two-person job. I've got it strung across there and up to there and wrapped around the main center beam pretty decently there. And there we go. So after just looking at this, it's probably smarter if I find more rope actually and put it across, all the way across here as well, just to hold it up. So I'll have to buy more rope and do that up, and then it'll just be that extra protection that I'll need. And then I'll have to do an update sometime in the winter when the snow hits to show you guys how this is working. But like I said, ideally you probably want to get some 2x6s or 2x4s to put across from bar to bar and it'll be a lot more firmer. But now that lumber's really hard to get right now and twice the price, I think I'll wait and see what happens. Worst case scenario, if the plastic does rip, I've got another section to do at least 2 more of these carports wrapped. So there you go. Hope you guys find that helpful when you're building your carport greenhouses, and I give you a little bit of foresight on what you might want to do differently than what I've done here. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the little bell button to get all the updates of when I upload the new videos. And we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.